American Sign Language is made up of facial expressions, body movements, and hand motions. It is commonly used by individuals that are hard of hearing, members of the deaf community, as well as their families. The term deaf refers to a person that has partial or total hearing loss. In this teachable timer, we will be learning the American Sign Language alphabet. Each sign that will be shown represents a letter of the alphabet and will appear on the screen for 5 seconds. Special attention should be given to the letters J and Z because they both involve motion. To make the letter J, you are going to curl your fingers, but leave your pinky sticking out, and you are going to imagine that you are drawing the letter J with your pinky. Let's take another look at the letter J. Pinky is sticking out, bring it down, and then swoop it down to draw the letter J. To sign the letter Z, your palm should be facing out with all of your fingers in a fist, except for your pointer finger. Then you are going to draw the letter Z into the air by using your pointer finger. Let's take another look at making the Z. Palm out, index finger up, and air draw that Z. When you are making the signs for each letter, you can use your left or right hand, but most people prefer to use their dominant hand. Try making each sign language letter before it leaves the screen. Good luck and happy signing! The sign language alphabet is starting now.